DevOps teams have a secret weapon and it's called infrastructure as code. More and more engineers are using it to manage infrastructure. Version control, repeatable and automated are the buzzwords for infrastructure as code. Hello, my name is Mani and I'm a content strategist at API Connects. In this video, we'll break down what exactly is infrastructure as code, why IaC is an absolute game changer for DevOps workflows, and how it helps automate infrastructure, reduce manual errors, and supercharge deployments. Let's get into it.
Infrastructure as a code means writing code to set up and manage infrastructure so every server, network, and database is deployed exactly as defined every single time. So let's start with the basics. Setting up infrastructure manually used to be tedious and error-prone. IaC changes that completely. Traditional setups used to be all about manual dashboards, endless clicks, and inconsistency. IaC flips the model and makes it possible to manage infrastructure through code, not clicks. Infrastructure becomes repeatable, version controlled, and automated. This shift from manual to code-based provisioning is what makes IaC a game changer for DevOps. DevOps is all about speed, consistency, and automation, and that's where IaC shines. DevOps teams swear by it for its repeatability. You can spin up identical environments, dev, test, staging, prod with a single command. You have full version control. Your infrastructure scripts live in JIT. Track changes, roll back safely, and collaborate like developers do. You don't need to wait for manual provisioning, just run the code and go. Plus, there is reduced human error. Fewer clicks means fewer mistakes. IaC basically turns infrastructure from fragile snowflakes into reliable, reproducible machines. Automation is definitely the coolest part of infrastructure as code. IaC lets you build entire environments automatically. You can define your infrastructure config, integrate it into your CI/CD pipeline, run deployment scripts after every code push, and monitor infrastructure drift and autocorrect. Tools like Terraform, AWS, CloudFormation, Pulumi, and Ansible make this possible. You don't just automate deployment, you automate resilience. Let's bring this to life with real-world examples. Auto-scaling environments during product launches or seasonal traffic surges, instant disaster recovery, rebuild infrastructure from scratch in minutes, cloud migration, move workloads to AWS or Azure with IaC templates, multi-region deployment, replicate infrastructure across the globe with consistent configurations. No more manual ticketing or weekend firefighting. IaC has become the bridge that unites DevOps and Ops. It creates a stronger shared language. Developers write the infrastructure, Ops review it and run it, and both teams stay in sync. Key benefits include faster feedback loops, easier environment replication for dev and testing, better collaboration and ownership across teams. If you're wondering where to start, here are the tools ruling the IaC DevOps ecosystem. Terraform. It's cloud agnostic, open source, declarative syntax. Ansible. It's great for configuration management. AWS CloudFormation. It's perfect for AWS native stacks. Pulumi. You can code your infra using real programming languages. Chef and Puppet. Powerful config management for complex environments. Each has its strengths. You can choose based on your stack, team skill set, and scale. If you are ready to get started, keep these best practices in mind. Start small. Begin with non-critical environments. Modularize. Break configs into reusable templates. Use version control religiously. Validate with automated tests. Monitor drift by detecting when reality doesn't match code. You can treat your infrastructure like application code, test it, review it, secure it. Infrastructure as code isn't just a buzzword, it's redefining how modern systems are built and managed.
So whether you are managing a single application or a multi-cloud empire, Infrastructure as Code empowers you to automate, standardize, and scale with confidence. At API Connect, we help businesses adopt infrastructure as code practices and implement DevOps automation strategies that align with their goals. Want to simplify and scale your infrastructure? Let's chat. Reach out to us at inquiry@apiconnect.co.nz or visit apiconnect.co.nz. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech explainers and insights.